The Napoleon Venturi tube brush, designed for cleaning inside your grill's tube burners. It features a 28-inch flexible body that is long-lasting and will clear blockages such as spider nests inside your tube burners that can cause low flow and uneven cooking. With an easy-to-grip handle and a hanger for easy storage, the flexible body will reach the deepest corners of any full-length burner. The stiff nylon bristles are designed to remove the toughest dirt and will not damage your burners. Slowly insert the brush using a twisting motion. Push to the end of the burner. Then slowly pull back, turning and moving in a back and forth motion. The Napoleon Venturi tube brush.